Flashback.
So, if you were revoked, how much time are you looking at, do you think? What do you think the range of punishment is for that offense?
I'm not sure.
Up to 2 years in the state jail facility. And going to the state jail facility is different than going to prison. Because at the state jail facility, it's day for day time. So if you're sentenced to 2 years, you are doing 2 calendar years. And the report I'm receiving on you is you don't want to do your UA and you're not reporting. So that tells me that maybe you want to go to prison. Would you like to go to the state jail facility? I can't hear you. I'm sorry?
No.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
All right. So when you're drug tested today, because I see you don't want to do a drug test.
I'm not doing drug tests.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Okay. Can you put her in the box? Yes.
I was gonna say, we tried this and we went to the lady's room and she refused to submit.
All right. If you'll file a motion to revoke, please.
Yes, sure.
And we will sign that.
Bye-bye now.
Let's go.
Let's roll, nerds. Welcome back to Time Serve, the channel that skins the dog so you don't have to. The most anticipated part 2 ever in Judge Boyd's court is this defendant. If you remember her, she was the rudest yet boldest to ever walk through the doors of the 187. And Boyd, oh Boyd, did I finally find what we were looking for. As her roots watched out and the grays shine through, we finally get a part 2 to the legend of Miss Chavez. Like and subscribe, set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
2022 CR 9347, State of Texas versus Maria.
Love games.
Announced for the record from the state.
Do you love me? Are you playing your love game with me?
Council, have you
I just
received
want to know what to do because I
Chavez,
need
could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Banks to the state of Texas.
Robert Maurer for the penny, Your Honor.
And are you Ms. Chavez? Council, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Chavez, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I did.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, the state moves to proceed on the lesser included Class A misdemeanor assault bodily injury charge and to waive and abandon the aggravated assault charge.
All right. And are you all proceeding on this as a family violence case?
No, Your
No.
Honor.
Okay. All right. Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Chavez, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury? That is a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Only involuntarily waived?
Yes, Your Honor, the state offers States Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
No objections.
All right. Before the court accepts this into the record, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant?
Your Honor, the complainant himself has been unreachable. However, we did speak with other family members who were there that day and have told us if the complainant would be all right with this agreement, and the other family members were also all right with the agreement.
All right. You may be excused to continue to confer. Showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I just ask you to follow the agreement. My client's been in jail for 87 days and would like to get out and move on with her life.
All right, well, I've read the police report. Of course, there are questions I have. Nobody in the police report mentions how this all started.
My client and her husband, who had a case that was dismissed, took their daughter over to exercise visitation, and I would call it like a WWE wrestling match ensued. And we are multiple family members.
No, I needed a mental diagram.
A flow chart would have helped.
Because I see some people with gold clubs. Are these golf clubs or this is just a gold club?
It was a mess. I think that's the basis for the resolution, Judge.
Okay. And there's no less than 10 people involved.
Yeah.
What have you learned from this?
I learned that no matter what's going on, I know I was fearing for my daughter's life and my husband's life.
Okay,
Just
I'm
call
so
the police.
sorry. I don't understand anything you're saying. I understand the last part where you said just call the police. All right. The court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 87 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine. Time and money is to run concurrent. Anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You'll probably be released at 1 a.m. Not today. If your counsel, if you want to call the sheriff's office and say why she's yes. But this is what I've learned, not from personal experience, but from what I've seen. Whenever there's a custody exchange issue, only one person needs to go, and that's the person whose turn it is to have custody. When you start bringing extra people, there's a problem.
I didn't want to go that day, Your Honor. It was my birthday. I didn't want to go.
No. So next time you need to say, no, not doing it. You understand?
I will. I always do. Thank you, Your Honor. God bless you.
All right. Thank you so much. God bless you too.
Thank you, Judge.
Luis Ramirez Rodriguez.
That's all, folks.